Hello guys and welcome back. It's Happy Biscuits here. Today I'm gonna be showing how to get the Berserker Mutant toilet and what's it called? The Buzzsaw Mutant. I'm gonna show how to get both of these guys, okay? Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is, this little grass area, it kind of looks like an area. You're gonna want to go over here. Stop at the curved edge. Go over here. Morph into a smaller character. I highly recommend it. It's easier. So I'm gonna come over here. Going this way. Come over here. Out. Exit the alleyway. Go to your right. Over here. And take a left. And you're gonna find a little baby cameraman. See that little, you can't really see him, but there's a little baby cameraman down there. You wanna press it, and that should give you the morph, I believe. I think. I have no idea though. Yeah. Let's see. So, really, you only need infected cameraman. Just check cam, or like check biscuit. If you want me to show you how to get the infected speed command, but you need an infected character for the mutants, so I just got the cameraman. Okay, anyways, now what you're gonna do is you don't have to be a flying morph, but I recommend it. It's actually be the upgraded speaker titan. Much cooler looking. Much stronger. Much cooler. Better in every way. Okay. So, the hub, or no. Sorry, the hub is over here. I'm just going back to the hub. Why can't I go back to the hub? Oh yeah, it's this way. Okay, so, is this still the wrong area? Okay, the hub is over here. Yeah, it's over here, okay. It is definitely over here. I promise, guys, it's over here. Okay, so, this is similar to where it actually is where the scientist cameraman is, but, you must have an infected character. And let me just check the quest. Baby man, big speaker man, infected speaker man. Infected cameraman. Yeah, that's all you have to do. You just have to find him. So you should have him by now because I just showed you. But now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go this way. Yeah, this way. You're gonna see this little bridge. Stop at it. Or wait. Wasn't that bridge a little lower down? Yeah, okay, so it's this one. I promise, guys. Let's become secret agent. Oh, I'll show you how to get him too. In this video. gonna go here, come in here. I'm gonna ignore all these doors, come in here. Now, scientist cameraman is right there. We don't need him. So you're gonna need a code for this. And I know that code. So, that code, first one is going to be a silly emoji. It's like... Nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, that's the silly one. Okay, now you're gonna get a speaker for the second one, which is actually right there. Okay, now you're gonna need to find the one that's like, nope, this. So this is the combination. Now, you must be an infected character to do this. You must. It will not work if you're not an infected character. So I'm just gonna become infected cameraman. Yeah, he has that little ugly bug on there. I showed how to get that little ugly bug in one of my videos, but okay, so you have to walk in this tube, it'll shut you in. Gotta do the science experiment. Now, this will kill you. No matter what, it will kill you. But that will give you the morph for this guy. He has a jetpack as well. But this will give you, that will give you, wait, they added a new toilet too? Flying police, Skibby. I didn't even see that. That's so cool. Oh, that's cool. Now they did add it, they literally just updated, I think, a couple hours ago. But they have added a new thing. The quest is called Pay Respects. I don't know if that's for this game. Let me see how much he costs. Let me see how much. Flying police could be 30%. $141.40. Yeah, it's worth it, but I'm good. I don't really want to buy it. Okay, that is big. Look how big that chunky boy is. Why does it keep glitching out? Okay. Anyways.
Side, this closes. Interact with this down here. And then
how to get the
now again, same thing. We gotta insert a emoji saw. And then
okay, so I don't really know what's happening right now, but I'm just gonna go back to the hub. We're gonna go back to the hub. We're gonna go to the exact same place. No. Hey, actually no, he bugs out, so. Every single thing with a jetpack except for the Titans glitch out. I don't know why though. It's weird. Anyways, let's come over here. Go over here, out here, into this little alleyway. Let's become, oh, this is a big one. Must have done the brute cameraman. Anyways, Still cameraman, still fine. So you're gonna go in here. Exact same thing, but different code. Okay? Also, it will not work if you do not have the code. So, the first code thingy is gonna be no, that one. Okay. Second one is going to be that one. Last one is going to be the angry face. Angry. That one. So this is the combination for the one with a buzzsaw. Okay. Me mateys, cameraman. Now, for this one, you have to do the exact same thing. You must be infected to get in here. So this time I'll use infected speakerman. It doesn't have to, it can be infected cameraman, both work. You just gotta be infected though. Oh, poor guy. Look at that gross little bug. Sticking a thing from his mouth in there. That is gross. Anyways, you're gonna go in here, do the science experiment. And that will kill you as well. But that will give you this morph. And I'm gonna show that to you right. Well, no, I don't want that one. So this is who it will give you. This guy. Okay? So it's gonna give you this one. This should be the one, like this is the one that it's gonna give you. So, ew, his cheeks are looking weird. Anyways, that is how you get the mutants. But now I did say I was gonna show you how to get the what's it called? Secret agent. So you're gonna go to industrial. You don't have to be flying, but I'm gonna use something that flies. Let's use speaker helicopter, why not? Also, I might as well show you how to get speaker helicopter. But anyways, you're gonna come over here this building. This one right here. Oh, and make sure you activate the quests. I forgot to tell you that, guys. Make sure you activate the quests. You must activate the quests. So you have to activate the I wonder if both infected work. What happens if I press this button? You must activate the quest for anything you do. The infected must become my lab rats. That is funny. Okay, anyways, morph into a small character, doesn't matter. Make sure you activate the quest for the secret agent too. Now it says find the secret agent, but you actually have to find his remote, which is right here. Gotta interact with that. But now what you have to do, you have to play for 2 hours. And yes, you can, if you leave the game, it'll keep your progress. But you have to play for 2 hours. So you can just go AFK, it's fine. Doesn't matter, I just went AFK. I got it in about 3 to 4 days, or 2 to 3 days. But, what was I gonna, speaker helicopter? I think it was. Yeah, it was speaker helicopter. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get that. First thing I'm gonna do is go to
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Digi, and today, if you do not have that, I suggest watching my video on how to get it. It is a pretty lengthy quest, so make sure you get yourself the Titan Speaker Man. But if you already have it, then you're in luck. What we're going to do is get to the top of this tall building.
Now, you need to have the Speaker Titan.
Now, in order to get there, you're going to need to fly up. And by doing that, this is my way of doing it.
First thing you gotta do is find him, I believe. Speaker Heli. Where is it? Speaker Heli, I know you're there. Speaker Heli. Yeah, okay, so, yeah, you have to find Speaker Heli and find his rotor, which is his spinny thing on top. Now, you must have Speaker Titan or upgraded Speaker Titan. You must have, or Speaker Woman, that works too. Alright, wait now. Watch this, I'm gonna use this jump boost power. It's literally gonna eat me up almost all the way to the top. I will show you how to do this with normal Titan speaker. You can use him too, but I'm just gonna use this guy because he's faster. Now, you're obviously up here, hooray, yay, but I'm gonna show how to get it. No, don't charge up, no! With the normal Speaker Titan, because if you don't have the upgraded Speaker Titan, you're gonna have to use the normal Speaker Titan, and I gotta show how to get that, so gotta slowly do it, because if I just instantly plop down on the floor, I glitch out of the map and fall out of the map. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is find a building to jump on. This one is fine. I'll just get my way up here. So, this takes a while to get up to, but I'm going to be showing you the fastest way how to get up there. There's many other ways to do this, but I'm just going to show you the fastest way possible to do it. Yeah, so gonna go up here. Honestly, all you have to do is just, oh, that's a little baby camera strider. There is a little camera strider, I think, it's on one of these. Yep, there he is. There's a little camera strider. Okay, anyways, back to the actual video. So to get up buildings like this with the normal Speaker Titan, you have to press W super fast. You'd have to spam W. Now this is the only way you can get up. I'm sorry guys, but with the regular Speaker Titan, this is the only way you can do it, because both buildings are the exact same height, so I'm just gonna do it the normal way because this is the way that I had to do it before we had the upgraded Titan speaker. Yeah. If your hand gets tired clicking, don't worry, you won't float back to the bottom. You will stay up here. So you can take a rest, you can take a break, then you can go back to it. But up here, you are going to find the speaker heli. The speaker helicopter. Same thing. Now, obviously, you gotta morph into a small morph. Let's do Speaker Man. Look how happy he is when he walks. He's like, dun 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 dun. Here's my big birdie. Okay, anyways, you're gonna speak to him. The skibidi toilets have torn off my rotor. I'm stuck in this tower. Can anyone help me find my missing rotor? Please, I need it to fly again. Sure. Just gotta say sure, and then honestly, bro, the only thing you really need, you're pretty much just gonna go to like, so you're gonna go over here. There's gonna be this big open area. And jetpack, slowly jetpack down, or else you will glitch through the floor. And then anyways, his rotor, that is gonna be over here. Gonna go down this road. Gonna find it, and then you're gonna find his rotor, which is like the little spinny thing. I actually just told that, but in case you didn't know, that is where his rotor is, and so gonna collect that, whatever. But now you will have unlocked the speaker heli. Oh, by the way, guys, I totally forgot to say this in every single one of my videos that I made for Skibbyverse. So what was I gonna say? If you don't get the morph immediately, like if you don't like instantly get it, you don't need to be concerned. It's just you have to leave the game and then rejoin for it to actually register. So that's what you need to do. And I don't even know what this place is, but let's check it out. Speak to scientist cameraman. That darn construction organization. Trying to sell some Skippy coins. Oh, wants me to buy Skippy coins? No. Oh my. What does it mean, passes? Okay, it just wants me to buy stuff. Okay. Now. Anyways, I can go into my wardrobe and I can equip this. That looks cool. I'm gonna get that. Look, I'm like the ultimate. I look like such a good cameraman. Okay, anyways, guys, that is gonna be it for how to get speaker helicopter and the mutants and secret agent. Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye. For real this time. Bye. Haha.